Your intuition is accurate. Your nervous system is reading something real, but your mind doesn't have the facts yet. And when the truth eventually reveals itself, it doesn't just clarify that particular moment. It might clarify the last few months, the last few years, sometimes your whole relational history. And it shows you that your intuition wasn't chaotic. You weren't crazy. You were correct. And that needs to be a turning point in how you trust your body going forward. But often our gut clarity gets confused by anxiety, by fear, by anger. Sometimes our gut is really clear, but because we don't have evidence yet, we try to force the evidence. And this is where partners can get into trouble, or anybody could get into trouble. Your gut says something is off, but the mind says, I need proof. I want certainty. I want it, and I want that proof and certainty right now. So partners start to interrogate. They spiral. They check devices. They push for confession. They ruminate. They overreact. And then they feel crazy because the escalation has distorted the clarity. Your body isn't wrong. It's your urgency and this need to try to control it or force it that's confusing you. Often if I'm in this situation working with a partner, I will say, let's slow down. Yep, reconnect to that gut feeling, but you have to wait. And this is what I've come to say to them. I believe that the universe doesn't like secrets. It conspires to reveal the truth, to lead you to it, but you can't force the timing. Over time, and with a lot of work, I learned that my gut can actually ground me. I trust it even when I wish the evidence would show up faster. And almost every time, the universe reveals the truth in a better, cleaner way than I ever could have forced. So we have to develop a new skill, which is noticing and waiting. It's where the real recovery work happens, not in checking, not in interrogating, not in spiraling or overanalyzing. Of course, that might still happen. It's hard not to go there, but that's not what will work. So we may have to catch ourselves doing that and calm and still ourselves. Because what works is noticing, regulating, waiting, and allowing the truth to unfold. Intuition becomes clearer when you slow down. Anxiety gets louder, though, when you speed up. Your neuroception can guide you, but not when you're dysregulated. So when the emotional storm settles and the true signal remains, it might be a warning. Sometimes it's a memory, and sometimes it's an invitation to learn to trust safety again.